Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use YouTube Analytics. You can use Analytics to better understand your video and channel performance with key metrics and reports in YouTube Studio. So if you go to the YouTube and click on your profile picture at the upper right corner, then scroll down and click YouTube Studio. You can also directly go to YouTube Studio app. Some data such as geography, traffic sources, or gender may be limited. So what you're going to do is you should sign in to YouTube Studio. And it's already signed in. Now, at the down part, you can see Analytics. It's the overview of the last 28 days. You can also view various reports at the video level. So if you press the content, you can press one of the video, and here you can see the analytics where there is 208 views and the watch time. So 40%, 45% of the viewers are still watching at around 30 seconds mark, which is typical. You can just explore this one. And total reach. And you see here the total subscriber. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any comments or questions, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!